managing partner at Visa Franchise. For those that are not familiar with Visa Franchise, we're the trusted advisor for those that are seeking a E2 visa eligible business. I just wanted to talk about the top 4 service items that we're providing for 2021, especially focus on those that are seeking an E2 investor visa. So we're not an immigration law firm. We're not lawyers. What we do is help with all the non-legal aspects that are necessary for those that are looking to make a smooth transition to the United States. So what we focus on are business buyers, franchise buyers, those that are looking to invest in a business and perhaps have a day-to-day manager and focus more on the financials and strategy of the business. We pretty much vet franchises, businesses, and operators all day here in Miami Beach, and we have analysts throughout the United States as well as abroad that are supporting our analysis of different business opportunities that might be eligible for the E2 visa. So we work very closely with advisors such as immigration attorneys, franchise attorneys, business plan writers, and we really act as the point of contact or quarterback, if you would, for everything that's related to the business. So in terms of finding and analyzing the businesses that are eligible for the E2 visa, we can provide support. So I'm going to go through today the 4 services that we're offering right now in 2021. We started the company back in 2015. So it's been nearly 6 years now. It's a family business, co-founded together with my brother, Jack Findaro. Our experience is in the franchise space. Most of my career has been spent in franchise investing, and all of Jack's career has been spent in franchise investing as he started his career at the parent company of Burger King Corporate. So most of our services are related to franchising. However, we've started to open up in terms of startups and existing businesses for sale. So the number one service that most of our clients now are starting with is a US business consultation. So this is a good option for those that are not really sure if a startup's the best option, franchise, existing business. This would be a good place to start because myself or one of my bilingual colleagues, and again, we speak English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Mandarin, would be available to talk to you for a 45-minute Zoom call. As of today, February 4th, 2021, we charge a flat fee for the business consultation over Zoom of $189. It's 100% backed by our satisfaction guarantee. So far, the start of the year, we haven't had anyone ask for the money back, and we calculate the value at over $1,000. So in hindsight, we are saving you a lot of money given the information that we provide and the connections that we can make to you. During this US business consultation, I'll review E2 visa business case studies, some recent franchises that our clients have invested in, opportunities to browse our sister platform site, Vetted Biz, and show you how you can search also for your own franchises and businesses to buy throughout Florida, California, Texas, and across the United States. So this is a good starting point. And from here, we can point you in the right direction to basically do a self-guided search, to work with us to be your franchise advisor. Or if buying an existing business, a non-franchise is the best fit, we have a good network of business brokers that are well familiarized with the E2 visa across the United States. So this is an excellent first stop, a US business consultation. And again, there's a money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, within 48 hours, let us know, and we'll refund the full payment of $189. The second option is for franchise buyers, and this is how we started Visa Franchise back in 2015. Helping those that are looking to navigate the world of franchising. We have 1,800 franchises on our platform, but many of those are not a good fit for E2 visa investors. Oftentimes they might require very high capital investments. So looking at brands like McDonald's, Burger King, Hilton Hotels, Marriott. These are $1 million plus investments, and they're generally not the best fit for our clients. So we tailor the search based on your needs in terms of investment amount, where you're looking to move in the United States, how many hours you're able to allocate to the business, industries of preference, as well as your professional background to match you with the best franchises. And we arrange everything for you. So we arrange the calls with franchisees, calls with our former Visa franchise clients. We'll be working with you, your immigration counsel, as well as your franchise attorney until you invest in the business and until you receive an approved E2 visa. So the third service I'd like to go through is for more high net worth individuals. So those that have at least $1 million. Most of our clients that choose this option generally have much more than that, though. Their time is not worth working day to day in a business, 40, 50 hours a week, as in their home country, generally they have a business that's a multi-million-dollar business that they still have to be attending to, even though they're splitting their time off in case between the United States and their home country. So our third service option for investors seeking operations support is an add-on essentially to those franchise buyers that not only do we vet the business model, we also vet the operator. And we generally engage a third-party firm to do a background check, both criminal, any pending litigation, past litigation, all these public records to see if this prospective franchisor or business partner has basically cleared an initial pre-vet. And then we look at the past 3 years financials, income statement, balance sheet, etc. And again, we're going to do a screen and based on what you're looking for and present the best 4 or 5 business opportunities to start. So that's a third option, and it's reserved for high net worth individuals that are looking to invest at least $200,000 in a U.S. business opportunity. And then we have the fourth option, which is more a self-guided business buyer. Those that are looking to buy an existing business in the United States, maybe buy a franchise, and they prefer to do it themselves. So on our sister company website, www.vettedbiz.com, we actually publish information on 1,800 franchises. Right now we're in February 2021. By the end of this month, we're going to have over 3,000 existing business opportunities for sale throughout the United States, principally in Florida. So that's a good resource for maybe you've already been living in the US for 5 to 10 years. You're very familiar with the US business market. You've already owned a business in the United States. So you can start with the self-guided business approach via our sister company website, www.vettedbiz.com. And if we can help you, great at Visa Franchise. But if you prefer to reach out directly to the franchisor, reach out directly to the business seller, we're not going to hold you back. So again, we're currently offering these 4 services in summary. And what most of our clients start with, a U.S. business consultation. Number 2, service for franchise buyers. Number 3, a service for investors seeking operations support with those day-to-day operations of the small business. And then number 4, rounding it out, for self-guided business buyers that generally know what they want or they want to explore the opportunities themselves. So again, this has been Patrick Findaro, managing partner at Visa Franchise. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to enter into contact with us, and perhaps we can start with a U.S. business consultation. Again, thanks a lot.